go.
You get higher by a broken branch.
Oh my gosh, look at this tree's waving.
Why is this there? Did you put them?
Yeah, I put that there. This is an incredibly windy day. This thing can break on us. Long way to go down. Looks more,
We know I'm scared.
Okay, let's get down, buddy. Long way down. Yep. Tree's shaking so much. Okay. Oh, this thing is about to break. So stupid of us. All right, well, see you at the bottom. All right, we're almost at the bottom. There's my friend. Show your face and wave your hands, buddy. You can see him. Oh yeah. It's incredibly wavy up there. Man, so stupid of us to do that. But just like I said, people from Saskatchewan take a lot of chances. Yeah. And this is my first YouTube video. I'm sorry if it was not too great. I will make more videos in the future. And what? Yeah, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. See you later.